Should've come with a warning. Don't sit right there, don't sip on what they're pouring. Her kiss is gonna kill you in the morning. No, it ain't too good. Everything about that night I thought I wanted. Should've come with a warning. Ooh, should've come with a warning. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze that Plays Guitar Lessons. I'm going to teach you guys how to play Warning by Morgan Wallen. It's a super easy song and it's a really great song. And so yeah, let's just get into it. Please hit like and subscribe so that you can get notified when I come out with new country music video tutorials, and so that more people will see it. Alright? So let's do this thing. You're going to put a capo on the 4th fret and you're going to have it in standard tuning. Alright? Let me know if you guys have any other requests or questions in the comments, by the way. So what you're going to do is you're going to do A minor. Okay, you're also going to do C. Alright, then you're going to do G. And then D. Okay, that's how we're going to start the song out. Okay, so for that intro part, I would just do single strums. Alright. Just like that, okay? Just do it once or twice, whatever you want to do. Probably once. And then you're going to do the neon sign. Okay, sign is A minor. Sun. Hanging outside that bar. Outside is C, okay? Outside that bar, should have said go home. Okay, home is G. Home. If you know what's good for your heart. Okay, good is D. Good for your heart. When she sat down. Okay, so then now you're starting over. You're doing A minor on when she sat down. And that ADP. Okay, so ADPI. ADP is where you're going to do C. ADP, t-shirt, should have said watch out. Okay, watch out is going to be G. Out. Oh boy, you're going to wind up hurt. Okay, wind is D. Wind up hurt. And then label. Okay, so here you're going to start a little bit. You can still do the single strums here on this next A minor part. And that on the part where he says, and that label on that whiskey on that shelf. Okay, so you could still do that. Or you can start doing a little bit more of strumming. So you can do that label on that whiskey on that shelf. But if you do, I would play it soft. I would not play it loud, okay? So you're going to do down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. Okay, so you're going to do, and that label is A minor. Label on that whiskey on that shelf. Okay, shelf is C. Shelf. Should have said, okay, said is where you're going to do G. Said don't buy no shots from no one else. Okay, so D is else. Else. Should have come with a warning. So when you get to the chorus, you're going to do that same strumming pattern that's just down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. Okay, so you're just going to do that, but you're going to do it a lot louder. So before we're doing much softer. Should've come with a warning. Okay, just like that. Really loud. That's, or at least just definitely louder. Okay, so now I'll just show you where you do the chords for that. So you're gonna do should've come with a warning. So warning is A minor. Warning. Don't sit. Okay, sit is C. Sit right there, don't sip on what they're pouring. Pouring is G. Pouring. Her kiss. Okay, kiss is D. Kiss is gonna kill you in the morning. Morning is A minor. Morning. Nah. Okay, so at the end of nah, you're gonna do C. Nah, it ain't gonna end too good. Everything is G. Thing about that night I thought I wanted. So wanted is D. Wanted. Should've come with a warning. Okay, then you do warning is A minor. Warning. C. Should've come with a warning. Okay, with a warning is G. Warning. D. Then you go back to what you're doing at the beginning. Phone just lit up. And it's dang near 2 a.m. Ought to be blue lights. Or some kind of loud sirens. Okay, so you're just gonna do those single strums again. Alright, just like that. So the second verse is gonna be the same as the first one. And then the second chorus is the same. Now the one thing that's going to be different is when you get to the bridge. You're going to do, don't fire it up. Okay, so up is C. And you can either do single strums or you can do the, okay, on this part, but you don't fire it up as C and hit the headlights. Okay, headlights is G, headlights, turn on around, around is D, D, okay, at the next red light. Light is A minor, okay, light. I wish somebody would have gave a C, gave me some damn signs. Okay, signs is F, signs. Yeah, I wish that night. Okay, night is E. All right, so that's the only time you play something other than those 4 original chords. You're gonna do F on signs. Yeah, I wish I had that night is E. Okay, and then you're gonna go, would've come with a warning. And you're gonna play it the same way you have been, okay? Would've come with a warning. Ooh. You can just end it on the A minor, okay? So anyway, let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. It's been fun, and I hope you guys learned it well, and I'll see you next time.